Nag-scroll ko sa akong social media, dayon naabot ko sa vlog ni Jay Shetty. I don't know kung kaila mo niya, pero usa siya sa mga paborito nako nga author. Then at the same time, vlogger kag napod siya podcast. No, ang iyang podcast ay On Purpose. Dayon one time na siya yung na-interview nga Buddha. Then gipangutanan niya ang Buddha na unsa may pinaka biggest mistake na nabuhat na to bilang tao sa atong kinabuhi, no. Dayon ni-reply ang Buddha, which is struck sad ko sa reply sa Buddha nga simple ra gyud po kayo. Ningon ang Buddha nga, you think you have time. That line of the Buddha made me stop and reflect, no? Kay kadaghanan sa tua keep saying ugma ra ko musugod, ma-apologize lang ko when the time is right. I spend more time with my family next week, next month, or next year. I'll chase my dreams, no, tomorrow, next week, or in the future pa. Pero ang reality is, life doesn't wait for us. Usahay, we become so busy building a life that we forget to live it. We get caught up chasing money, success, and also our achievements. Yet we postpone the people and the moments that matter the most. Then one day we realize na ang opportunity wala na, ang mga tao magigugma na to wala na sad, and the time we thought we had is gone too. So if you have someone to thank them today. If you love your parents, then tell them today. If you have a big dreams in life, then start today. If you need to forgive someone, then forgive today. Because the greatest illusion in life is believing that we have unlimited time. So don't wait for the perfect moment. The time you have today is already a gift. Peace.